Hello everyone, this is Ramesh Reddy, MSc BEd. This video about nutrition. Already we know that nutrition means intake of nutrients, food for growth, repair of tissues, maintenance of body temperature, energy for life activities. The food consists with nutrients. What are the nutrients? The carbohydrates, water, proteins, minerals, lipids, all are the nutrients. So intake of nutrients is nothing but nutrition. Now definition of nutrition. Nutrition is the process of intake of nutrients by an organism as well as the utilization of these nutrients by the organisms. So mode of nutrition means method of obtaining food by an organism. How the organisms are obtaining food. So these are mainly two types of nutrition. Two modes of nutrition. Autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is the mode of nutrition in which an organism makes its own food from the simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water and with the help of sunlight. So those organisms which can make their own food from carbon dioxide and water are called autotrophs. Example, all green plants and autotrophic bacteria. Autotrophs make their food by the process of photosynthesis. These are the plants and autotrophic bacteria for the example of autotrophs. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heteros means others and trophic means nutrition. So the organisms which are depends on other organisms for their food are called as heterotrophs. Example, all the animals, man, dog, cat, lion, most of bacteria and fungi. These heterotrophs can't prepare their own food by using inorganic materials like carbon dioxide, water. Okay, so that's why they are depending on other organisms. These are the examples of heterotrophs. Let's see the nutrition in plants. Green plants are autotrophic and synthesize their own food by the process of photosynthesis. The photosynthesis means the process by which green plants make their own food from carbon dioxide and water by using sunlight energy in the presence of chlorophyll. It's called photosynthesis. In this process, oxygen is released. So here you can check. Scientists have tried to formulate a simple equation to indicate photosynthesis. So here the C.B. Van Nel in the year 1931, his opinion about photosynthesis: for each molecule of carbohydrate formed, one molecule of water and one molecule of oxygen is produced through the photosynthesis process, as per C.B. Van Nel in the year 1931. So he given a equation for the photosynthesis. It's a simple equation. CO2 plus 2H2O in the presence of sunlight in chlorophyll, it forms CH2O plus H2O plus O2. After C.B. Van Nel, Robert Hills simplified the photosynthesis equation. So Robert Hills showed that O2 is released from water during this reaction, and he showed an equation that is 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. It forms C6H12O6, nothing but glucose, and 6H2O and 6O2 oxygen molecules. This oxygen will release into the atmosphere. It is useful for animals for the inhalation of oxygen. Then same thing, C6H12O6 is a glucose molecule. It's a simple carbohydrate. These simple carbohydrate glucose molecule are converting into complex starch molecules, and these starch are stored in the plant body parts. It is used as a food for animals and human beings. Next we have the activity number 1, the presence of starch in leaves. We need some material, beaker, test tube, tripod stand, Bunsen burner and gas, iodine solution and upper petri dish. Let's see this procedure of activity. Take a leaf from a plant with soft and thin leaves and well exposed to sunlight. Take methylated spirit in a test tube and put the leaf in it. Then first boil the leaf in water, then transfer this leaf into a test tube containing methylated spirit. Boil this tube in water bath. A chlorophyll dissolves in spirit and the leaf becomes pale due to removal of chlorophyll by the alcohol. Then take the leaf carefully from test tube by using a brush and spread the leaf in a petri dish and add a few drops of iodine or betadine solution on it. See this figure for arrangement of apparatus. The right side picture, it indicates the testing of leaf by adding iodine solution. Let observation. So the presence of starch will be indicated by a blue-black color. On the leaf we can observe the blue-black color. So it indicates the presence of starch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.